You know that friend who never puts on an act? They're just themselves. No masks, no fakeness. They say what they mean, and you trust them completely. But here's the thing. English has one word that describes not just people like that, but also your feelings, objects, everything. That word is genuine. Genuine. It means real, authentic, not fake. Let's see how it works in real English, starting with people.
She's the most genuine person I've ever known.
A genuine person, authentic, honest, real, no pretending. What you see is what you get.
Well, I think that he's very kind and he's genuine.
She's genuine, the real deal, humble, incredibly generous, warm.
Very kind and genuine person.
Notice how it's always a compliment? Being genuine is something people really value. But genuine isn't just for people. You use it for emotions, too.
I have a genuine love.
Genuine love, real love, from the heart, not fake or pretended. She even says it twice for emphasis. Genuine love.
Why does the genuine love of a woman scare you so much?
Their marriage had been one of genuine love, and Henry was shattered by her loss.
A man that I had genuine feelings for and was really hurt by when he just stopped talking to me.
Same pattern. Genuine feelings, genuine love, genuine concern. Any emotion can be genuine when it's real and sincere. Now, sometimes people question if something's genuine.
Is that genuine appreciation?
When you're not sure if someone's being real, you ask, is that genuine? Are you faking this, or do you really mean it?
When I told you I wanted us to work together, I was being genuine.
I was being genuine. I wasn't lying or manipulating you. Okay, as mentioned, genuine isn't just for emotions. You can use it for physical things, too.
Genuine leather?
Is this genuine leather?
Genuine leather. Real leather, not fake plastic. This is probably the most common way you'll see genuine on products. Check your wallet, your shoes. You'll find it.
It's a genuine leather musical cigarette box.
That's a genuine artifact.
When Professor Gorin examined the surface of the pomegranate, he saw little to suggest that it was not a genuine artifact.
Or genuine artifact, the real historical object, not a replica. Last thing, the adverb form, genuinely. This makes the word way more flexible because now you can describe how someone does something.
Bob, Ford is genuinely sorry if you've ever felt mistreated.
Genuinely sorry, truly sorry, from the heart. Not just saying it to be polite, he genuinely means it.
He is genuinely talented.
Genuinely talented, real skill, not just hype.
You really genuinely care about your students.
Yeah, they seem to genuinely care about the community.
Genuinely plus verb equals doing that action with real sincerity. Genuinely care, genuinely love, genuinely believe. It works with everything. Quick recap? Genuine means real, not fake. Use it for people, feelings, and things. As an adverb, genuinely. Synonyms: authentic, real, sincere. If you want more words like this that'll level up your English, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.